Hi friends, welcome to Smartness Tech Study. So in this video, we will discuss about Indian Constitution, most important 30 questions. Let's get started. Before the independence of India, Dadra and Nagar Haveli were under the administrative control of options English, B. French, C. Portuguese, D. Afghans. So right answer is the Portuguese. Who among the following was the first Chief Justice of India and assumed office on 26 January 1950? Options A. Meher Chand Mahajan, B. Patanjali Shastri, C. Harilal Kanaya, D. B.K. Mukherjee. So right answer is the Harilal Kanaya. So third question, which constitutional article lays down the provision for a national commission for SC and ST? Option A, Article 337, option B, Article 334, option C, Article 338, option D, Article 339. So right answer is the Article 338. Which community gets special provision for central services in Article 336? Option A, Sikh community, B, Muslim community, C, Hindu community, D, Anglo-Indian community. So answer is friends, before going to looking for answer, kindly subscribe our channel for these latest useful educational videos. This video is mainly useful for RRB Group D, NTPC and all other competitive exams. So let's get into the answer. Answer is D, Anglo-Indian community. Fifth question, National Commission for SC and ST shall be made by which constitutional institution? Option A, Parliament, B, Executive, C, Judiciary, D, State Legislature. So answer is A, Parliament. Under Constitutional Article 343, which is the official language of the Union? Option A, Urdu, option B, Hindi, option C, English, option D, B and C. B means Hindi and C is English. So looking for the right answer, D, B and C. So answer is B and C. Which constitutional article defines the Panchayat Raj? Option A, 243O, option B, 243A, option C, 243, option D, 243I. So right answer is 243. Question number 8. Which constitutional article define municipalities? So most important question. Article 243P, Article 243Q, Article 243T, Article 343U. So right answer is Article 243P. So next question, 9th one. The Constitution of India was drafted and enacted in which language? Option A, Hindi, option B, English, option C, Tamil, option D, Telugu. So in this Constitution of India is enacted in which language? So going to the answer, option B, English. Option 10, most important and the most efficient bit. Total number of schedules in Constitution of India is option A, 22, option B, 17, option C, 97, option D, 12. So right answer is 12. 11th one, Constitution of India was enacted by the Constitutional Assembly on. The Constitution of India was enacted by the Constituent Assembly on 26 January 1950, B, 26 November 1949, C, 20 November 1950, D, 20 January 1949. So answer is 26 November 1949. 12th question, Constitution of India came into effect on. సో రాజ్యాంగం అనేది అమల్లోకి వచ్చిన తేదీ 26 జనవరి 1950, 26 నవంబర్ 1949, ఆప్షన్ సి 20 నవంబర్ 1950, ఆప్షన్ డి 20 జనవరి 1949. సో రైట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 26 జనవరి 1950. సో 13th one, most important, the Constitution declares India to be a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic assuring its citizens of justice, equality, and liberty, and endeavors to promote fraternity among them. The words socialist and secular were added to the definition in here. So socialist and secular were added to definition in the year is the question. So answer is B 1976. Total number of fundamental rights in Constitution of India. Option A 12, option B 5, option C 6, option D 8. So right answer is option C 1 6, totally 6. 1 right to equality, 2 right to freedom, 3 cultural and educational rights, 4 constitutional remedies, 5 right for protection, 6 right to vote. 7th one, last one, 15th one, Indian Independence Act passed by the British Parliament on. So most important one, Indian Independence Act passed by the British Parliament on. Option A 18 July 1947, B 20 July 1947, C 14th August 1947, D July 1946. So the answer is 18 July 1947. Question number 16. Who represented Paris community in Constituent Assembly? Option A H.P. Modi, B Frank Anthony, C Kanayalal Munshi, D James Franklin. Answer is B Frank Anthony represented the Anglo-Indian community and the Paris were represented by H.P. Modi. 17th question. Who represented Paris community in Constituent Assembly? Option A H.P. Modi, option B Frank Anthony, option C Harendra Kumar Mukherjee, option D Bengal Narsingh Rao. Answer is C Harendra Kumar Mukherjee. 18 for the members of parliament in India who determines the salaries and allowances from time to time. Option A Union Cabinet, option B Ministry of Parliament Affairs, option C Cabinet Secretariat, option D Parliament by law. Answer is D Parliament by law. Question 19. Who was the Prime Minister of India when a constitutional status for the Panchayati Raj and urban self-governing institution was accorded? Option A Indira Gandhi, option B Rajiv Gandhi, option C P.V. Narasimha Rao, option D Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So right answer is C P.V. Narasimha Rao. 20. In India, when both offices of President and Vice President happen to be vacant simultaneously, who will discharge the duties of this President? Option A Prime Minister, option B Union Home Minister, option C Speaker of Lok Sabha, option D Chief Justice of India. So right answer is option D Chief Justice of India. 21. As per Constitution of India, the Legislative Assembly of a state consists of more than 500 and not less than 60 members, but which one of the following state has 32 members? Option A Delhi, option B Sikkim, option C Goa, option D Puducherry. So the answer is option B Sikkim. Union government of the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the option A Prime Minister of India, option B Lok Sabha, option C Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, option D Union Cabinet. So right answer is option B Lok Sabha. 23rd. Under whose direct supervision is the Lok Sabha Secretariat? Option A Cabinet Secretary, option B Ministry of Parliament Affairs, option C Speaker of Lok Sabha, option D Prime Minister of India. So right answer is option C Speaker of Lok Sabha. 24th question. How many members can be nominated to the Rajya Sabha by President of India? Option A 10, option B 12, option C 14, option D 18. So right answer is option B 12. 25th question. Which of the following is the chairman of the National Water Resource Council? Option A Prime Minister of India, option B Union Minister of Water Resources, option C Union Minister of Agriculture, option D Union Minister of Earth Sciences. So right answer is option A Prime Minister of India. 26th question. Who is the chairman of National Integration Council? Option A, President of India. Option B, Prime Minister of India. Option C, Minister of Minority Affairs. Option D, Chief Justice of India. So right answer is option B, Prime Minister of India. 27th question. Which one of the following dealt with the subject of local self-government? Option A, Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Option B, Kothari Commission. Option C, Veerappa Mouli Committee. Option D, Venkata Chalam Commission. Answer is Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Which one of the following is not a fundamental right? Option A, right against exploitation. Right to constitutional remedies. C, right to property. Option D, cultural and educational rights. Option C, right to property is not a fundamental right of a constitution. Which one is known as lower house? Option A, Lok Sabha. Option B, Rajya Sabha. Option C, Vidhan Sabha. Option D, Vidhan Parishad. So right answer is Lok Sabha. So last question. Under the Panchayati Raj system, Grama Sabha consists of A, elected executives of a village. B, persons who are registered in the electoral rolls relating to village. Option C, elected executives of a village and officials nominated by him or her, the village sarpanch at the persons of nominated by him or her. So right answer is persons who is registered in the electoral rolls relating to a village.